This is a 2007 Nissan Murano. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Features include a multi-link rear suspension, big 18-inch wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a CD player, leather and alloy center console trim, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a chrome grille, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 44,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Pearson Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 10650 North Michigan Road in Zionsville.